The word that comes to mind when I think of SVSU is passion. When you get students that have so much ambition, and you get professors that are so supportive, and you get career services that provides all the resources for students, that only adds up to a combination that makes passion.
The word that comes to mind is community. From the moment I stepped on campus, it was obvious to me that SVSU had a robust, vibrant student community, and something that offered plenty of opportunity to get involved, and something that for me as a transfer student I looked to get ingrained into the student population.
All these students and alumni are knit together by the common ground of sharing a great experience at SVSU and receiving just a great education.
For me, I think the word grow. I think I grew as a student. I think I grew professionally there.
The Rehmann SVSU partnership means a lot to me, and for a lot of reasons. I think that's because of the culture similarities between SVSU and Rehmann. It's a very down-to-earth culture that's focused on other people and the growth of other individuals.
Rehmann, I think, affords associates an opportunity that's a nice blend of, we're a firm that's of a size that you're working on relevant, thought-provoking, things that require critical thinking, but in the same sense, we're not so big that you're going to get lost in the shuffle. So we emphasize putting people first.
Every day is different. That's the one thing that I love the most about it. There's never a day that's the same.
So we're kind of that sweet spot of being large enough as having really good experience and knowledge, but still that feel of a smaller firm where there's care and attention between coworkers and for our clients.
When it comes to advice for students, I would say that it's very important, yes, to keep your grades up, but you want to have fun in college too. Network with your professors.
Get involved and talk to as many employers as possible, because that network is what's going to get you a job someday.
Do an internship. So an internship is so key. I mean, it really helps you go in and see if public accounting is a fit for you. See if the company is a fit for you, and so I think an internship is an invaluable experience.
Make sure you're taking advantage of all the opportunities that are there. The RSOs, registered student organizations I mentioned previous, different clubs, societies, things that really position you well to transition to the working world.
I lead campus recruiting efforts at Rehmann, and I would love to meet students for a variety of reasons. Not only can I give them job opportunities, which of course is a great thing, but I love the coaching side of it too. I don't see myself just as a recruiter, but also as a career coach too.